Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Happy Chocolate with Almonds Day. That's right, today is Chocolate with Almonds Day. So if you love chocolate, you love almonds, this is your day. So this recipe, you can follow along on my blog, Good Time Gal. That's time like the ingredient and not the actual event. This is a quick, easy recipe. It is also kid friendly. So we are using little to no utensils. I'm gonna go ahead and use the microwave and a couple of microwave safe bowls. So this is a wonderful recipe just for that. It's inclusive, it's stress-free, and it's fun, which is exactly what we want for summer. So let's get started. So you're gonna need a half a cup of chocolate. You're gonna need about 3/4 a cup or more of almonds. I have almonds, pecans, and then I have some little cranberry mixtures as well, just to give this almond bark that flavor. Then I have a teaspoon of vanilla, and then I have a teaspoon of my coconut oil. I also have my parchment lined sheet. That's it. So now we're gonna do this in increments with the microwave in 30-second increments while we stir, and then we'll spread. That's how easy this is. So now we're gonna add the vanilla. We're also gonna add the oil. And then we're gonna put this in there for 30 seconds. Add the nuts. And I'm gonna put it back in for 30 more seconds. The chocolate is melting. We wanna go again. So hot. All right, I'm gonna put this, the bark goes in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll have bark. Our 20 minutes is up on the almond bark. Let's see how it turned out. Yep, not too shabby. And then let's break it apart. You can see the almonds. Yes, I'm happy. Take a bite. Yes, we didn't burn the chocolate. It's perfect. It was so easy to do. Look at you, you did it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys, and happy National Almond and Chocolate Day.